Children, today we are going to discuss about minors and cofactors of the determinants. First of all, we'll discuss about minors. Minor, if we want to find out minor of an element, then we have to delete its row and its column. Look how we can do this by this example. Find the minor of element of 4. So where is 4? 4 is lying over here. So I told you, delete the row and column of this element. That means delete the row and column of this element and then you calculate the determinant. So after deleting, I have got it as 2, 3, 8, 9. So the value of this will be 9 into 2, which is 18. Determinant value is equal to 9 into 2, 18, minus 8 into 3 is 24, which gives me 18 minus 24 is minus 6. So this is the minor of element of 4. Now children, let's talk about cofactors. Cofactors are represented with capital A, and it can be represented as capital A, Ij, and can be calculated as minus 1 I plus j and minor of I and j. This is the representation for minor. That means when you want to find out cofactor, first of all you have to find out minor and then you have to apply this sign convention method. That means you have to change the sign of the minors according to this I plus j. So let's understand how we can calculate minors and cofactors of the given determinant in the given example. It is given, find minors and cofactors of all the elements of the determinant. Determinant is given 1, 4, minus 2 and 3. So let us first of all find the minors. So how minors can be calculated? Say I want to calculate minor of 1. So I told you to delete the row and column. So I am just left with 3. So if I want to find out minor, I am finding out minor determinant. That means for 1, the minor is 3. Now for minus 2, delete this and this. So I am left with 4. So I will be writing in place of minus 2 as 4. Now if I calculate for 4, then delete this row and this column. I am left with 3. So you write down, here it is 3. I am deleting this row and this column. I am left with minus 2. So write minus 2. Now if I want to calculate for 3, so I will delete this row and this column. I am left with 1. So I will be writing this 1. So this is the minor of the given determinant. Now if I want to find out cofactor, then what you have to do? You have to just go according to sign conventions. This is element of first row and first column. That means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, which will give me minus 1 square, which is a positive sign. So what you have to do is, you do accordingly. Here this 3 takes plus sign, this will be plus, then I am moving here, it will be minus 4, then I am going down. Now this is plus, minus, this will again be plus. So it is already plus and this is minus. So here it is already minus and one minus sign I am giving just because I am finding out cofactors. So it will become plus 2. So I am moving simply in this direction. So you have to follow the sign convention rule. Always start with the positive one and then give the alternate sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus. So cofactor of determinant will be equal to 3. This is 3 minus 4, 2 and 1 for 2 into 2 matrix. Have a look. Children, let us discuss about adjoint of A or a matrix. If you want to find out adjoint of A, which can be written as adjoint of A, then what you have to do? Adjoint of A is simply the transpose of the cofactor matrix. That means if say this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, this is my given determinant over here, say this is my determinant A. So first of all I have to find out the minors, then cofactors, and then I will be transposing it. So it includes, when you are calculating adjoint of A, it includes 3 steps. What? First you find out minors, then you find out cofactors, and then you find out transpose of this matrix. You will get adjoint of A. So let's see how we can find adjoint of A by this example. Say this is given A equal to this. Let's suppose I take minus 3 over here. Now first of all I will be finding my minors. So minors of A will be, that means I am calculating my minors of A. So minor of A can be calculated as, first of all I am taking 1, delete this row, delete this column, and it is just 4. For 2, delete this column, delete this row, and I am getting it as minus 3. For minus 3, delete this and this, I am getting just 2. For 4, delete this and delete this, I am getting 1. So this is your minor of A. Now I will be finding out cofactors of A. How we can find out? We have to just change the sign. Plus, minus. So this will convert into, what I am saying? Plus, minus. Minus is already there. So it will convert into 3. Plus, minus, plus. So this will be this only. And minus. So this is minus 2. These are the cofactors. Now if you want to calculate adjoint of A, then what you have to do? You have to just transpose this determinant, and it will be, transpose means convert row to column. So this is my row. I am writing it as 4, 3, minus 2 and 1. That means this row has changed into column. This row has changed into column. So this is adjoint of matrix A. Have a look.